Hello, in front of me I've got RAZER Blackwidow V4. In this video I'll show you how to enable Hypershift Mode. To use RAZER Hypershift Mode, let's go to RAZER Synapse. Switch from standard to Hypershift to activate it. Configure RAZER Hypershift shortcuts here. Enjoy an extra set of buttons using the RAZER Hypershift key. Now you just have to select Hypershift as the key primary function. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.